Today we will take a look at how to launch your own EC2 instance using Amazon AWS services. First of all, the basic requirement for it is that you need a free tier AWS account. We will not take a look at how do we create this account. You can refer other YouTube videos for that purpose. So coming back to the video. So what are the steps to create this EC2 instance? So the first step is you need to sign in your AWS account, which I have already done. Then the second step is you have to search over here EC2. Now you have to click over here. Now this window will show you about the current condition, that is what are the number of instances that are running. So here the number of instances running are 0. So we have to launch an instance, we have to click over here, that is launch instance button. The AWS is asking us for the requirements of our instance, like what is the name, what should be the name of that, what type of OS configuration do I want for that, what is the instance type. So we'll be filling each of these details one by one. So for first of all, what do you want to name your instance? So to keep the thing simple, I will be naming it as Cloud. Then it is asking us for our OS requirements, means what operating system do you want to use for your instance. So there are variety of options available, but I will be selecting Windows because I am very much familiar with it and it is easy. So as you can see, they have given the description about the OS, that is a 64-bit architecture. If you want 32-bit, you can also select that, but we will be keeping the thing simple and choosing 64-bit architecture. Now we will scroll down. Now they are asking us about the instance type. So since this is the free tier account, only free tier things are available to us. That is the T3 micro that is available to us. So we'll be selecting that only. If you want any other instance type, you should pay for it. Otherwise, it will not be available. So we'll be selecting this T3 micro. Now we will scroll down again. Now they are asking for key pair. So we will take a look at what is the use of this in the later part of the video. That is for the remote access of our instance. Since we don't have a key value pair till now, we will be creating a new one. So to do so, we should click over here, that is create new key pair. Now asking what is the name of the key value pair. So we will type cloud_key. So they are now asking what is the type of the key value pair. So we'll put it as .pem file, since we are using Windows operating system. Now we'll click over here, create key pair. Now the key pair will be automatically downloaded. Now they are asking us about the network settings. What do you want? So we'll skip this part. You can create your security groups over here. Here is the option about the network settings. Do you want to keep it public or private, or do you want any other custom settings? To keep the thing simple, I will be choosing public, that is anyone can access my instance. Now we'll take a look at this configure storage part. So they are asking for what should be the storage of your instance. So we will keep it by default 30 gigabytes. If you have any other requirements for your instance, you can choose from here, but we have made this video to keep things simple, so we will not take a look at this advanced details. Now we will take a look at the right side of our monitor, that is the summary. So they are asking about the number of instances that you want to launch. So we can give it 1, 2, 3. So the similar type of instances, if we type 2, then 2 instances of the similar type will be generated. But we are keeping things simple, so it will generate only 1 instance. Now we'll click on launch instance. Before that, you can see what you have selected over here. Now we'll click on launch instance button. So now it is launching. Now it is successfully launched. If you want to take a look at our instance that we have just now launched, we will click over here EC2. Now they are showing the instances that are running. It is not running. Okay. See, now it is running. Our instance is running now. The instance status is showing that it is running. But there is, now we have to connect to this instance also. So we'll click here and press this button. I will go on RDP client. Now I will click on this download remote desktop file. Downloaded soon. Okay. Now to connect to the instance, you need a password. So I will click on get password. So to generate the password, you need to upload the PM file that you have downloaded previously. So we have to upload that file. We'll click on here. This is our PM file. This is the other different PM file. We have to upload this PM file. We don't have to do anything over here. We have to just decrypt the password. You will get the password. You have to copy that password now. You have to go on. I have to click over here. This is the remote desktop connection. Now I have to click on connect. It is happening. You have to paste the password that you have copied previously. Then you have to click on OK. You have to give the necessary permissions that are required. So now we are connecting to our virtual machine. We have to wait over here. This is our virtual machine. To disconnect from it, we will press over this close. Thank you everyone. In this video, we have just learned that how to launch your own EC2 instance. Thank you very much.